Afternoon for the large caps especially. Well, let's talk about Tech Mahindra. Now, this stock has been making headlines right from last week, from last Friday, after that stupendous rally and the management putting out a plan and the market really liking everything they've heard. Now, we've got some follow-on buying today, and Nimesh alerted us about this in the morning with a standout brokerage, which is a view coming in from Morgan Stanley. But then you have, bulls as well as bears on the stock. Nimesh, over to you. It saw some additional buying and then a bit of a cool-off. What do you make of the street views?
Well, so there is an equal bull versus bear for Tech Mahindra at this level. So, yeah, in the morning, I highlighted a Morgan Stanley note where they've double upgraded the stock to an overweight. But in the afternoon, there was an equally, bear argument as well from Citigroup. So they maintain a sell. I'll start with Morgan Stanley first. So they've upgraded the stock to overweight now. They've sharply raised the target price to 1490. Now, they believe that the medium-term outlook on growth, margin, as well as capital allocation should set a floor for the stock around 1150 levels. So they're very clear that the stock may not fall below those levels of 1150. In terms of medium-term outlook, they believe that management's tangible and quantifiable outlook for by 27 makes it a self-help story. In fact, they see the quarter-on-quarter improvement in margins, YY improvement in revenue, and diversification away from telecom should be the key catalyst for the stock going forward. So Morgan has a very strong bull view on Tech Mahindra. On the flip side, Citigroup also put out a note in the afternoons. They maintain a sell rating on the stock, and they have a target price of 1095. Now, they believe that while the street got excited with a 3-year view from the management, which seems to be positive as well, but the stock has already rallied 10%. The stock is now trading at close to 20 times on FY25 estimates, which is in line with both Infosys as well as HCL Tech. On one side, while the street is getting excited from the management's commentary and outlook, where they are targeting about 15% margins from what 6.5–7% currently. They believe that the environment is quite tough. So, in fact, not a single company in the last 10 years in the large cap IT names have improved the margins by 900 basis points. What Tech Mahindra is aiming for. So, it's going to be very tough. And to assume in the base case, that's not something which Citi is believing. So they maintain a sell call with a target price of 1095, but in the morning there is a double upgrade from Morgan Stanley with a target price of Tech Mahindra at 1490.
Okay, well, you have a bull for every bear. Maybe not exactly 1:1, but you need all kinds, right, to make the market. Nimesh, thanks very much. That's interesting as always. That's Tech Mahindra.